We are back in Fleet, and you guys might recognise this kitchen. This is how we left it when we left the last time. So we're back and we're going to be tiling. We're going to do all the splashback. We've got sockets to change. So these are the tiles she's chosen, which is actually matches quite nicely with the units. So we're going vertical like this, all the way there. I think she's doing a different one for here, aren't she?
No.
Same one?
Same.
Oh, same one too. Something like that. So this kitchen we're doing, if you click on the link in the description below, you'll see all the videos from start to finish with the install. So yeah, check that out. But stuff like that is how far we've got. We are going to be painting the walls. We've just done the mist coat. The ceiling's all done, but it's going. I need to see what colour, but I think she went something similar to the unit colour, but then I think she changed her mind. Oh, she's got some samples here. Do you remember she was going like that colour?
Yes, I'm very similar.
Is that like a shadow? It looks like a shadow, doesn't it? But I think she changed her mind with the colour, with the paint. We'll find out. And also on this wall we're going to be putting a Samsung telly up. And I think there's a shelf going below, but I can't remember if we're putting a shelf there as well. But yeah, today we're just going to focus on getting all the tiling done, and then getting all the grouting and stuff tomorrow. So yeah, let's get to it. Right, the tiling's going quite well. So far we've done this whole wall, and of course we have to start nice and flush at the bottom. You never know what you'll come to when you get to the top, but there is a slither of tiles on the top there. It looks a lot worse in the video, but there is the extractor going there, and once we tidy that up and grout it, it's going to blend in nicely. But you don't have a cut at the bottom, so that's how that would end up there. But you need to do the side, and that little piece. It's good that we've got quartz in here already, so we don't need to worry about going across there, but yeah, across there. And hopefully today, as it's still quite early yet, we might be able to get in there and start doing that. But no, it's actually looking pretty nice. And they are, what are they called? Manu Blanca Brilliant white body. Yeah, really nice tiles. I think it does match up quite nicely with the unit. So right, let's get that bit done, and get the trims as well. I've got a nice white trim here, metal. We'll do the top and return here a little bit. Same on that side, just some in there as well. Right, let's get to it. Right, all the tiling's done. We just need to clean up that end. And Eric's joined us back. He's cleaned up all here, he's now started grouting here. We're going with a, well, it looks grey in the video, but it's actually a white. So we get all the grout up. And once we get it ground, we're going to clean it up, we're going to get the extractor back in, and the client's got new sockets and fuse spurs, which we're going to change all of those. And then same in here as well. Everything's all tiled and grouted and cleaned up, and I have silicone as well, so that's looking really good. And we did start changing some of these sockets, so this is the they're called Soho, the brand. Yeah, we've got a few of them changed. We're still waiting for some to come in, which hopefully will come in tomorrow. That is oh, it's looking really good. We've got another coat of paint to do on the walls. It is going white, and then we have got the TV going on the wall here. I need to do a socket for the TV tomorrow. I'll paint the radiator tomorrow. There's it still drying. Oh, right, amazing. What's it called? Jersey. Quite handy. We say for foil and cling film and stuff. Joseph. There's another one in here. Joseph. It's for the coffee pods. What's that for? Oh, that's for the trays. Oh, the cutting boards here, not trays. Cheers. I'll go and put the drum balls in so you can show everybody. Joseph.
Joseph. Million months.
They actually look quite nice on the sides for the like hand towels. Joseph.
Yes, they are.
That's
Joseph photo proof.
I think these accessories are pretty good. Yeah, that's quite nice. Very tidy.
These are the kind of ones I'm talking about.
Right, as we continue with finishing up with the kitchen, so I'm going to be need to get the TV fractal ready for on this wall, but Eric needs to paint the wall as well, so I'm going to do the socket there first. And then we've got some fuse spurs to change, which arrived now, so that's quite good. We can get those fitted as well. And then Eric's just, what is Eric doing? Eric's ground the last 2 cheeks, and we get that cleaned up, and then we've got 2 fuse spurs to change as well. And while we're doing that, then mine's going to be doing the skirting boards, but we've actually decided to change all the architraves as well, so we've taken out some already, so we're doing it all in the kitchen, and let's come out here, we're going to be doing all the corridor as well, so let's get all those stripped out. So I am in the utility room. It's all tiled now, all grouted, so I'm just doing the just running some silicone in all the edges of the gaps, getting that all filled, and gonna give it a little wipe down. Then it's looking really good. So the sneak peek of the kitchen. It's looking really good. We'll come back to that in a sec, but let's finish up the silicone and then go into the main kitchen. We'll just finish off some little bits in there. So this is where we started about a month ago, before we refitted this new kitchen. It's just a little flashback of, you know, all the work that went into it. Not just the kitchen, we did the conservatory as well by redoing all the floor, but moving back into the kitchen, it was a complete refit, along with the utility room as well. But the transformation, it was just, yeah, incredible. And that is it. So this kitchen is now complete. For all of you that don't know, this is a wren kitchen. So it's a pastel blue with the base units. We got gloss white for the wall units, and then it's dressed with quartz on top of the base units. But our work is not done in this property, so we have actually already changed the architraves, and we've changed all the skirting boards as well. But we're going to be painting and decorating this corridor. And then to my right is the cloakroom, and we're planning to tile halfway and completely transform the whole room. But stay tuned for that, because it will be in the next video. But if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.